In this video, we'll explore how to use the reviewer feature in SCiNiTO to evaluate and improve your manuscript. Here, you can upload your manuscript in PDF format directly from your system. Within this section, you'll find Score Mode. When on, it gives feedback and scores for each manuscript section. Once your file has been uploaded, you can click Start Review to begin the evaluation process. The manuscript is reviewed section by section. After all sections have been reviewed, SCiNiTO provides additional outputs, including a list of similar published articles and a selection of recommended journals relevant to your manuscript. In the Similar Articles section, you can explore recently published research closely related to your topic. In the Recommended Journals section, you'll find a curated list of suitable journals for submission. By clicking on Get Recommendation, you can download the journal information and access it offline. You can also download the complete review report by clicking on Download Report. Enterprise users can create a graphical abstract from their manuscript with this feature. In the History section, you can access previous review reports. At any time, you also have the option to permanently delete uploaded manuscript files from this section or rename them. If you select Full Review from any section card, you'll be directed to a comprehensive review page where you can examine the detailed evaluation of each section. The reviewer provides multiple suggestions for improvement, and at the end, you can see an overall summary highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of your manuscript across different sections. That's how you can use SCiNiTO's reviewer feature to receive structured feedback, identify areas for improvement, and strengthen your manuscript before submission. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website to make your research process smoother and more efficient.